Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to remaster JUICED. J-U-I-C-E-D. So yeah, don't misunderstand. And I'm going to make it juicy. To do that, I recommend you to download this one first. It's recommended but not necessary. And how you're gonna get this game? Well, maybe search for abandonware or go search JUICED on Reddit and you're gonna get that. And make sure it's 1.01 version because that one works well on computer. If you have any issue with the game, I think you should search Reddit as well. That's totally safe and legal, as showing you all that is apparently, even though this game is almost not available to buy, is apparently not safe for me to show on YouTube, but it is safe for me to show you the graphics mod. So let's go here. This is the one. Double click. You have this splash screen. Next, the folder where JUICED.exe is located. Next, install. And let's wait until it's installed. Oh, okay, retry, and we're done. We're gonna go to scripts folder, okay? And once this is downloaded, you'll have this folder, and you'll have these files. You can paste them in here. Go back, double click on this, which will appear after installing the mod, and have some patience. That's very important when you're running an old game, because it's like trying to use electric battery on a patrol car from the 80s. That's like a lot of work. But I have actually changed. I've seen somehow converting them into electric. That is crazy. Anyway, here it is. It's speaking of electricity. It's being oh my god. Copyright strike. Audio. Music set to 0. So because of power issue and Iran issue, lack of oil, I can't use a generator. I can't have electricity without load shedding. That's a problem. So I'm gonna show you from the start. Okay? I'm gonna do a quick new driver. Okay. All these are new logo, new file. Okay. Okay. I'm speaking loudly because I don't want to have copyright strike from this music. Oh my god. Why do you want to destroy life with your music? Okay. Done. So you saw new phones, right? So there's variation. Let's go to custom race. See, and I have. I'm going to choose demo. Now, if I go to custom race, choose car, you can see there's new logo. The logos were so blurry back then, but now they have this new logo. I'm going to go group A. You can see there's new logo, flag of the cars, and they have this cartoonish effect that looks good. And even the if you look at the reflection, under the car, there's detail of car parts, pipes, exhaust. And these were almost non-existent back then, but now they look good. The tires look cool as well. Even the the marking left by tires when you do drift and stuff is also quite nicer with this mod and clear. And there's this new screen. Actually, I'm going to go different map. So let's choose this. Let's choose where buildings are. Okay, group 1, afternoon clear. Okay, and here we go. So this is the car reacts realistically when you're turning, doing harmonic things. It has some rhythm to it, and I find that quite interesting. So that's it. I'm gonna close it like this. This is the easiest way, I think. Or maybe Control Alt Shift F4. Anyway, that is it. Thank you for watching. I'm glad I'm recording because I forget it. And I'll see you later.